So hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to talk about acronyms you should know. This is probably gonna be pretty useful. So let's get started. Okay, so the first acronym is ETA. ETA stands for Estimated Time of Arrival, about what time you think you're going to arrive. For example, when you're trying to plan something with your friends, you might say, send me a text with your ETA so I know what time you guys will be here. This is a sentence which you can use in this situation. Okay, so the next one is DIY. This is also a very common acronym. You may be familiar with it, but you might don't know what it stands for. So DIY stands for do it yourself. Do it yourself. You might see this in the hardware stores in your country. You can use a sentence, for example, I like doing DIY projects because I'm very creative. Okay, so the next one we have is AKA. AKA stands for also known as. You can use for people nicknames or for superheroes, for example, Superman aka Clark Kent. Superman also known as Clark Kent. So in this way you can use first you have to put name A and then you have to put AKA means stands for also known as, and then you have to put name B. Next one we have is MIA. MIA stands for missing in action. This was used in military, but it is also used among a group of friends as well if somebody from your group is missing. For example, if you go to a party and you can't find your friend, you could say, oh my god, my friend is MIA. Stands for missing in action. So you can use it also in this situation. Next one we have is ID. ID is very common. You also would be familiar with it. So ID stands for identification. You might need to show your ID at the airport, for example. Everyone has their own ID, their own identification from which region they belong, from where they are, and what is their name, what is their age, and what is their religion, and whatever. So this comes in ID stands for identification. Alright, and that's the end of some common acronyms. These are really useful, so give them a try or be on the lookout for them, especially on the internet. And if you haven't pressed the subscribe button, quickly press it to never miss an update. So take care everyone and bye bye.